In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a MYOB account in just 5 minutes. Whether you're starting a new venture or managing an existing business, MYOB, which stands for Mind Your Own Business, is a powerful tool to streamline your accounting needs. So, let's dive into the process of getting your MYOB account set up quickly and easily. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the MYOB website. Once you're on the home page, take a moment to locate the section where you can choose a plan. MYOB offers both paid and free plans to accommodate a variety of business needs and budgets. Carefully consider which plan suits your business requirements best. If you're just starting out and wish to explore the features, you might want to begin with the free option to get a feel for what MYOB has to offer. Once you've selected your preferred plan, the next step is to enter some basic information to establish your account. You will need to provide your email address, which will serve as your primary contact point and login credential. Following this, you'll need to enter your full name and phone number. These details are crucial for safeguarding your account and ensuring smooth communication, so be sure to input them accurately. After your personal information is in place, it's time to include your business name. This is particularly important as it ties your new MYOB account to your specific business identity, which can help in organizing and managing your business finances effectively. With those details sorted, it's time to set up your password. Choose a strong, memorable password that combines letters, numbers, and special characters to enhance security. Once you've finalized your password setup, you'll be prompted to enter your payment details to complete the registration. This is a necessary step, even if you're starting with a free plan, as it allows for seamless upgrades in the future, should you decide to switch to a paid plan. Now that you've entered all the required information and your payment details, you're ready to start using MYOB. The platform will guide you through the initial setup process, helping you customize your account to tailor it specifically for your business. From invoicing to tracking expenses and managing payroll, MYOB offers a comprehensive suite of tools designed to support and simplify your accounting tasks. And that's it! You're now ready to explore and leverage the features and capabilities of your MYOB account. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful in setting you up for success with MYOB. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more insightful tutorials. Happy accounting!